guys, mayroon tayong mag-unboxing tayo. Ayan, may order ako. Simulan natin. Ito yung in-order ko sa Shopee. Para pang upload sa YouTube. Okay. Ayan. Ito guys, yan po. Isang box ng fruits and veggies. And meron po siyang basket. Okay. Diyan natin ito niya. Basket niya. Ayan. Yan siya. Meron siyang maliit na basket. Yan natin yung hawakan niya. Okay. Yan, may hawakan. Yan, for Whitey. Whitey to more. Meron siyang orange, may egg. There's a mango. May clips. May green apple. A plate. Okay. May knife. Okay. May spoon. Carrot. What is it? Sausage. Meron din. Meron siyang chopping board. Broccoli. Peanut. What is it? Potato. Bread. Okay. Tomato. And then, what is this? Barbecue. Stick pala to. Tsaka may barbecue. This one. Pear ba to? Hindi ko sure. Okay. May hot dog. Another knife. At saka mayroong watermelon. Ayan siya guys. Yan yung ating in-order sa Shopee for short video. Yan. Pang short video natin yan. Fruits and vegetables toy. Ayan. Salamat guys. Yun lang. Yan lang siya guys. Ayan. Cute. May lagayan. Yan. Thank you. Thank you. For Whitey. Ayan. Daming mga toys na in-order. Mga toys na. Ayan. Cutting fruits. Potato. Tomato. Carrots. Okay guys. Ayan. Salamat na marami sa inyong lahat guys. Ayan. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye bye.